Hey guys, Anthony, 4x4 Diesel. Just want to give you a quick bit of information regarding our Prado front wheel bearing kits. We only do the Prado front wheel bearing kit at the moment, as I've said in other videos, because that's mainly what we work on, what we see, what we go through. So they're the things. I don't know if it's because Hiluxes don't have as many problems with the front, it's more the rear on those, or whether it's we don't see as many Hiluxes for service as we do Prados. But look, that's what we do. Front wheel bearing kit, you know, it's the whole assembly, you know, all new seals, O-rings. There's a number of seals. Some people are being misquoted, being told there's seals you don't need and whatever. Well, that wouldn't be the correct way to do it. Basically, the correct way to do it is to replace all the associated components. So with our kits that are assembled ready to bolt on for the DIY, there's 6 new genuine components. Okay, now what I just want to show you, there is some options. Obviously, to do it right with genuine parts, it does get a bit expensive. We believe our prices are very competitive and it's all pressed together, ready to go in our little secret fix, which you would have seen if you watched the other videos. I just want to give you other options though for some people that, you know, they've got a press or whatever and they're happy to get their own hubs. We're not going to sell you or supply you any Chinese hubs, but if you just want to get the genuine bearing from us, right, and the seals, even if you want to go aftermarket seals, look, we get a kit, you know, as well. It comes like this. Okay, I'll just take it out. So these are the genuine seals. That's what we prefer to use, right? But you've got your aftermarket ones as well. They come from a bearing shop. They tell me they sell heaps. Basically, that one is that one. Okay, so let's compare the pair, right? If you want to have a look at them, same, different, same. This is a Toyota. So Toyota, they don't actually make everything themselves. It's other companies they may or may not have a share or own or whatever, right? So the bearings can be NSKs, Koyos, whatever. These seals are from a bearing shop, brand manufacturer, whoever they are, probably made in China. Probably might be okay. These are NOK is the brand, okay? So that's who make them for Toyota. Now, same deal. Like I said, this is one side, right? So let's save confusion. I'll get that out of the picture, right? That's the parts and seals you need for one side. You still need bolts and a hub. That's what I mean when I say 6 components. You've got the bearing, you've got the hub, you've got the 4 bolts that have got to be in there when you press it together. You know, just the bolts are like $4 each. Anyway, O-ring, this seal here, genuine, list is about $70. So you got 2 of those. There's $140 worth of seals. That's why it adds up. So what I'm saying is we can do these seals a lot cheaper, okay? I'm not saying there's anything right or wrong with them, okay? It's aftermarket. We're certainly going to use a genuine bearing, where if we're going to supply a hub assembly, it's only going to be a genuine hub. We prefer the genuine seal, particularly this middle one here. If we start mix and match, it gets a bit complicated, but if you want a cheaper option because you've got an older car, a 120, you know, it's only worth 15, 20 grand or whatever, and you don't want to go and spend, you know, $1,000, you know, it makes it nice and easy to bolt on, and you'll probably never do it again because of that little fix we do with the Ultra Grey. But that's yet to be proven. We've only been doing that about 5 years. So far, so good. But if you want to have a cheaper option, look, I haven't exactly priced this up for you, but it's going to be around about half the price. If I supply you, if you're able to get your old hubs off and split those, then you can reuse those. Or if you want to buy Chinese hubs for 30 or 40, 50 bucks, whatever you find them for, you know, there's cheap. I think I've seen around for 25, 30 bucks. It's up to you if you want to do that. You can then press that hub using this seal kit and bolts. It'll come with the bolts as well, okay? So this kit will come with hubs, the O-ring, all the seals and bolts, everything you need, the bearing, basically everything you need if you're reusing your hub or you're getting a hub from somewhere else, and it's going to cost you around about half what it is to use all genuine the way we do. Anyway, that was the message, so hopefully you understand that. Hopefully I've been clear. We've got a few options there. If it was my car, I'll be just using all brand new everything. Brand new genuine bearing, hub, seals, genuine butter boom. Don't get me wrong, I'd use aftermarket bolts or the aftermarket O-ring, no problems, but when it comes to those 2 seals sitting there, I'm happy for someone to be the guinea pig and try them. Remember, you're going to save a lot of money doing so and do yourself a little bit more work. That's fine. There's someone that suits. That's why we're putting this message out there. For the guy that just wants 100% pressed together professionally, genuine parts, reliability, then you just contact me for the whole kit. And please allow some time, because it's hard to keep them on the shelf. It's expensive, all these components. We do have a number on the shelf, but you know what, I can't pick the week where we sell 10 or 15 in 1 week, you know, then I get a whole heap of stock in and they just sit there. So please allow some time and be patient with these sorts of things, because it's quite spasmodic, the sales on those. All right guys, thanks for watching. See ya.